In January 1921, the five-masted schooner Carroll A was found hard aground off the treacherous Diamond Shoals. Its crew completely vanished without a trace. Today, we're peeling back the layers of this maritime enigma to examine why a seasoned crew would abandon a perfectly seaworthy vessel. You'll learn how a simple supply run turned into one of the greatest unsolved puzzles in naval history. When the rescue team finally boarded the ship, they encountered a scene straight out of a nightmare. The sails were set, food was prepared in the galley, but the personal belongings and navigation logs were missing. Strangely, the lifeboats were also gone, yet the ship was perfectly intact. Even more haunting, the Coast Guard couldn't reach the wreck for days due to severe weather, during which time any potential clues were likely washed away by the sea. Theories immediately swirled, ranging from the plausible to the supernatural. Many investigators pointed to running pirates as prohibition was in full swing, suggesting the crew was intercepted by bootleggers. Others blamed the notorious Bermuda Triangle, citing the sheer volume of unexplained shipwrecks in the area. But perhaps the most jarring detail involves the ship's cook, who was seen steering the vessel recklessly just days before the disappearance, leading some to suspect a mutiny had occurred. Official government investigations eventually stalled, leaving us with a chilling void. Could a simple navigational error have led them into a trap, or did something far more sinister happen in the dark Atlantic? Stay tuned, because the final piece of evidence might just change your entire perspective on this vanishing act. Ultimately, the Carroll A remains a testament to the ocean's unforgiving nature. The tragedy serves as a haunting reminder that even with modern technology, the sea keeps its secrets. If you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, hit the button and subscribe for more mysteries of the deep.